Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can repair your skin after you must have tried to bleach and along the line it didn't go as you planned. You have some issues, but now you're trying to repair your skin. Sit tight and watch to the end. I will teach you how you are going to do it at home with some ingredients you can get anywhere around you and be consistent with it. Within a month or 2 months, your skin will come back to its normal state. When we bleach our skin, we're playing with the magic of melanin, the pigment that give our skin its unique hue. The bleaching product uses funky chemicals like hydroquinone or kojic acid to inhibit the production of this melanin. These harmful products sneak into our skin top layer, which is the epidermis, and put a temporary pause on the production of melanin. This is how this product works. It is like pressing pause on your skin color remote. But wait, there is more to this story. Bleaching can throw our skin delicate balance off the whack. It's like playing a prank on our skin's oil factory, leaving it feeling parched and stripped of its natural moisture. And guess what? Bleach can also make our skin cranky. Those chemicals can lead to temporary increase in sensitivity, making our skin inflamed and reddish. Have you heard of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation? It's like an unexpected party crasher. Somebody that just crashed into your party uninvited. Instead of perfectly even toned skin, then you might end up with areas that will say, no, I will be darker than the rest. No, it doesn't end there. Bleaching can also mess with your skin texture, leaving it feeling a bit rough around the edges. It's like your skin is trying to pull off a wide. So my friend, excessive bleaching is not good for your skin. It can lead to thinner skin. When it comes to durability and aging gracefully, we will age, so you don't need a pepper thin skin. So if the damage has already been done, so I'm going to show you how we are going to amend it with these simple ingredients. Please, if you love such beauty content, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will push out my videos to people around that are looking for such content. So the first thing you're going to do if you want to reverse your skin, your bleach damaged skin, first of all, you're going to stop using the product that is bleaching you. That product you bought, those kits you bought that you're using to bleach yourself, you're going to stop using it for at least 2 weeks. Keep it off, trash it, put it in the trash. Anyhow you want, just trash it. For good 2 weeks, you're going to allow your skin to breathe. Let the pore breathe. Okay, the next step is get yourself a mild body scrub. A scrub that is so mild is what you're going to use to exfoliate off the dead skin that will come off. Because when you stop using those products, your skin will start to decay and bring out dead skin. So you're going to get yourself a mild body scrub. I would recommend Eden body scrub, especially this apricot. It is good for this treatment. You will use it to exfoliate your skin twice a week. The next treatment you are going to do once a week is what we call skin masking. What you will need for this is red oil, cornstarch, and an egg, 1 egg. You will mix this thing together once a week and use it to mask your skin all over yourself. When you mask yourself, sit outside because red oil can stain. So when you do this, find a small chair or somewhere, sit outside. Leave this mixture on your skin for like 15 to 20 minutes. You can use wipes and wipe yourself first before you go to the bathroom and wash it off with soap and water. The next thing, you're going to get yourself a miracle mixture, which is aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil. Get a small container, mix it little by little. You can put 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. You can use this mixture 2 to 3 days. This mixture is supposed to finish after 2 to 3 days. Then you mix a new one. After applying this mixture, you lock it in with blue silver Vaseline. This is what you use. And the last but not the least is you get yourself 50% broad spectrum SPF sunscreen. You are going to be serious with it because when you're trying to treat your skin and recover your skin from bleach damage, you need to also protect it from sun. So doing this will help you recover your damaged skin, bring it back to its normal state, and heal your skin. I have a pamphlet where I wrote down all these ingredients I just mentioned and how you are going to use them. So if you're interested to get it, just WhatsApp me. Look for my WhatsApp number or my email address on the description. WhatsApp me, I will send it over to you so that it will be easier for you to buy and follow the procedure. Thank you for watching, and remember to watch this video on 5 affordable body scrubs you can get in the Nigerian market. Thank you for watching. See you next time.